Hey friends, June the 2nd. The prayers really do work. We're getting rain and it's kind of cool. Check it out.
Whoa.
Keep it coming.
Ooh.
You like the rain?
I'm cold.
Hey guys, it's the next day, Friday the 3rd. I took a couple of days off of work so I can get some projects done, but look at that behind me. That is promising. And we got about a 1/4 inch yesterday. Forecast after today is 100, 101, 105, 105, 102. It just keeps going. So tomorrow I'm going to show you all some of the natural products that I use to kind of help us through these tough, hot times. Hopefully we'll get some more rain after this week, so we'll keep you posted here, and we'll show you some of the rain. Let's get rain. All right, we are starting to get some rain. Loving it. Temperatures cooled down. Pretty amazing. Yeah, us Texans love to dance in the rain. Yeah, we're gonna fill up as many containers as we possibly can. We've got our 2 50-gallon rain collectors, and then we've got a 75 as well, and then a couple of 50s by the back shed. Saturday, June 4th, 6 a.m. I woke up to the sound of amazing thunder. So we prayed hard about this and we're getting rain. So check it out. All right, guys. So it's nothing better than having a cup of coffee early in the morning and listening to a thunderstorm. I woke up at 5:45 to the sound of amazing thunder. I mean, it just shook the whole house. Rochelle and I woke up, jumped up, and it's like, okay, we need to go outside and kind of prepare for some stuff, bring some stuff in. We did. Here we go. Thunder and lightning. The first thing that I did was grab my glasses, pick up my phone, and turn on the radar, and it was like, oh my gosh, look at this. This is amazing. So yeah, we were kind of thinking we were doomed, you know, with the forecast being, you know, mid-hundreds. But this is going to help us make it through, hopefully push to the next thunderstorm. So I'm just going to sit out here and enjoy it, and I'll show you the light show. That one shook the house. Hey guys, Mike here.
And Rochelle, another summer festival.
Another summer. This is our small town local festival, probably about 5 miles down the road in our historic downtown. Hey, that thunderstorm was great this morning.
It was.
Kind of shook the house. We got some rain. I think we're a little more optimistic about, getting through this week with the garden and everything. So we're gonna take you guys and show you around the festival. You got something going on tomorrow?
Yeah, we've had some requests for some things to, some herbs, herb recipes and so on like that. So I've got a great little Mediterranean chickpea salad that we're gonna do with some of our fresh herbs from the garden. And
so we're gonna harvest some fresh herbs and
Yep.
we're gonna make your salad.
Yep.
That's awesome. All right, let's go check out the festival. Turn around real quick and say hello. It's hot, but we're having fun. What are those called? Drift cycles? Cool. What's your name? You having fun at the festival?
Sam.
All right, so we've got a lot of local vineyards around Central Texas. I know it's like, really? No, we're catching up with California. And we stopped off at one of our favorites.
Cape Fire.
Cape Fire. The owner is a retired firefighter, many years. And what did you get?
Something called Afterburn. It's a raspberry wine with a backfill of jalapeno.
And mine is what? Pineapple?
Pear and pineapple.
It's so good. Food trucks. Are you hungry? No, we're gonna have tostada taco night tonight, so we'll skip. We'll show you around. This is one of our favorites, the original taste of the Caribbean. Really good jerk. What are they made of? Are these flowers made of clay?
Yes.
Isn't that beautiful? Wow. A little hot out here, huh? Go!
Hello everyone, we're Cape Fire Winery. We're local. My husband's a retired firefighter, so all you firefighters out there, bring us your packs, you get a free glass of wine.
In Central Texas?
In Central Texas.
And we've been there a couple times before, right, Rochelle? Good to see y'all, folks.
Good to see you too.
God bless.
Thanks. Bye.
Everything is so good. I wanna go back to
We're headed home. Thanks for joining us. That was fun, guys. We're going home to the air condition.
Got some treasure.
We got some treasures. Hide that. That could be a Christmas present. All right, we're gonna go home. We'll see y'all tomorrow. We've got some cooking. Rochelle's gonna do some cooking, and I'm gonna go over some natural garden fertilizers, things to help you with the garden
Soil
heat.
amendments.
Soil amendments. Thank you. She's so smart. Bye.